Rice is God's greatest gift to mankind. Rice is a precious food resource and a staple food for 1.5 billion people worldwide. However, processing paddy rice into value-added rice is not as simple as it may seem. Both the taste and the value of the final product can be affected if the proper handling and environmental conditions are not maintained throughout processing. Rice processing complexes, or RPCs, are cutting-edge agricultural facilities where post-harvest rice production from intake, drying, and storage to processing, packing, distribution, and the handling of rice byproducts is fully automated. The RPC was developed in 1990 by the Korea Food Research Institute, a leading institution for food research in Korea. Since this time, RPCs have substantially enhanced the competitiveness of Korea's rural communities. From 1992 to 2001, 328 first-generation RPCs were installed nationwide. Approximately 50% of the nation's total rice processing volume was handled in these RPCs, which began to play a more significant role in rice production. Through continuing technological research, second-generation RPCs equipped with large-scale, cutting-edge automation technology and safety features were launched in 2007. Since this time, RPCs have become established as key public facilities in Korea's rice industry. The high technological capability of RPCs is recognized worldwide. RPCs are now being exported to Cambodia and other countries in Southeast Asia, as well as countries in South America, Europe, and Africa, leaving the local farmers in each region highly satisfied. Rice processing in RPCs involves 4 processes. Once undried paddy rice has been harvested and received at an RPC, it is pre-cleaned to remove impurities, and its weight and moisture content are measured. After the moisture content is reduced to a safe level for storage and processing, the grain is kept in a large silo or other storage facility. The stored rice is again treated to remove impurities and fine materials. The hard protective husk of the grain is then removed in the husker and separated from the pure grain in the separator. The cylinder separator and color sorter then process to remove the abnormal kernels from brown rice. The brown rice then passes through a state-of-the-art milling system that uses friction and abrasive processing to yield high-quality, soft-textured white rice. The Korea Food Research Institute has maximized the value of processed rice by developing and implementing optimal milling conditions and milling distribution technology, cutting-edge sorting technology, and advanced rice cleaning technology to remove even the finest dust from the grain surface so that the rice does not require rinsing before cooking. The processed rice can be automatically packed by brand and size to satisfy diverse customer needs. The RPC conveying system and robotic loading system also facilitates swift packing and unloading. Another outstanding feature of the RPC model is its eco-friendly technology. Energy use can be decreased by up to 30% through low-energy processing, and the integrated dust collection system blocks the spread of dust at the source. The RPC model applies multiple eco-friendly green technologies, including a pneumatic conveying system to recycle byproducts. The next generation of RPCs will implement a zero-emissions model that runs on electricity generated from rice byproducts, as well as new and renewable energy sources. The Korea Food Research Institute has studied all aspects of rice production, from harvesting the paddy to serving it at the table for 25 years. Through these endeavors, we now own numerous world-class technologies, including 56 related patents and 21 cases of technology transfer. We remain committed to our role as a leading rice research institute in Korea and beyond. In addition to designing the RPC and developing processing technologies, the Korea Food Research Institute is the first in the world to develop quantifiable and objective quality management technology involving unit process performance standards, unit machine performance and safety standards, loss rates, and standards of milling deviation. The third-generation RPC model, currently under development, will feature ubiquitous information technology with low energy and low carbon processes. We aim to provide the safest and best tasting rice to customers around the world through our production traceability, which applies state-of-the-art information technology to manage the entire rice production process, from cultivation to distribution, and our leading real-time quality management systems using NIR and machine vision. Developed in Korea, the RPC has become widely known around the world. Integrating Korea's key competencies as a science and technology powerhouse, RPCs will promote renewed competitiveness for any country committed to rice agriculture.